Hey guys, it's been weeks actually months since I got all my parts to my computer, and my motherboard finally just came in. It's been so long. I've been so excited to start building this, and now I can finally start. So I'm all kitted out. I have my complete outfit, equipped with the hoodie, the basketball shorts, and the Sherpa socks. So we're ready to go, and we're ready to actually start putting this together. So I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to record of me building it because I don't have the proper stuff to record myself building this, but I'll try to keep you guys semi-updated. So yeah. Okay, and just in case you guys wanted a haul, this is all the stuff I'm using to put my computer together. Just in case you guys, I don't know if you guys are actually gonna be interested in what I'm using, so just a quick thing. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about my stuff, figure it out yourself, because I'm not helping you guys with that. It's gonna take too long. Sorry. Bye. The first thing I'm gonna do to get started with this build is watch a lot of YouTube videos. I've been watching a couple over the past couple months, but I really need to sit down and actually learn how to do this because I've never done this before and I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, not even gonna lie to you. So, videos. I am now nervously reading the instruction manual to the motherboard. Came across an issue. Just a slight issue. Went to go put the motherboard in, and I don't have screws. I don't have anything to screw it in with. Well, no, I have a screwdriver, but I don't have the screw to put it in. Hey guys, I'm back. It's a new day. We ended up not having screws here, so we cut our own in the garage, and I opened up the back of the case to find a little cardboard box which is jam-packed, stuck in a weird position underneath, inside the case. So I think I might have screwed up, and I think it actually did come with screws that I didn't find until after I installed the motherboard with our screws that we cut ourselves. So it's kind of awkward. But now we're getting to the part where you connect all the wires. I'm terrible with hardware and wires. Hey guys, I didn't really do very well, documenting my building my PC journey type thing, because there was a lot of issues in building it, between missing parts, parts not coming in the mail, realizing after I put it all together that I needed a wireless Wi-Fi adapter because I don't have an Ethernet plug-in in my room, so couldn't use an Ethernet cord, and I didn't have a wireless adapter, so I had to buy one. Then that took 2 months to come in, so it's been literally months since I recorded the first bits of this video. It's been forever, but I finally have my computer together, and I'm so glad that I did this. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me. So yeah, thanks for coming along this journey with me. Sorry that I didn't get a lot of good clips, but there's going to be tons of good clips in the future, and I hope you stick around to see them with me. It's going to be a long time for me to, it's going to take a long time for me to, get good at all this stuff, obviously, because I've never done it before, but hopefully one day I'll get there. So I guess I'll show you what it looks like all built, and I'll talk to you again next time. Okay, so basically I have it on that styrofoam thing because I have carpet and I don't want it to get all, you know, gross on the inside. That is, oh, there's a little bit of a glare. That's the whole build, everything in there. And then of course I have my keyboard, mouse, they look like a fire. You can't really see because I have the flash on, and then my monitor. So everything's going all good, and thank you guys for sticking around with me. And oh, there's my terrible wire management. I'll fix that eventually. But thanks for being around. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.